Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making soft and fluffy gluten-free garlic bread which you can enjoy with cheesy dip, as I'm putting the recipe for cheesy dip into the video as well. So go ahead and enjoy the video. For our first step, we'll take a glass, add 3/4 tablespoon sugar, then add 1/4 cup of warm milk. Mix the sugar slightly, then add half teaspoon yeast. Give it a slight mix and then keep it at a warm place for proofing. Our yeast is now ready, so we'll quickly take a bowl, put 3/4 cup gluten-free all-purpose flour and half teaspoon salt. Give it a slight mix using a fork or a hand whisk. And add your yeast mixture into it and use your hand mixer to blend it. Then add 1 tablespoon butter and mix again. Now we'll take the most important ingredient for this recipe, that is garlic. We'll take 2 to 3 big cloves of garlic and mince them so you only feel the taste, not the actual garlic in every bite of your garlic bread. Mix everything well using a spatula. Now we'll add our final ingredient, which is egg, and whisk it on medium speed for 3 minutes. Now our dough is ready. We'll take a pizza plate and transfer our dough onto it. Now we'll take some water and dip our fingers into it and then start spreading the dough into a circular shape. We need to press the dough only about 1/4 inch thickness. Cut it in the half. You can use a pizza cutter as well. And then cut it. You would also need to dip your knife as it's a sticky dough. So this is how you'll cut. Just make sure you're not cutting it really deep. Just give it a slight cut. But we will separate the dough from center so they bake as 2 individual garlic breads. Then we'll sprinkle some oregano and keep it for proofing in a warm place for about 30 to 40 minutes, loosely covered with a plastic wrap. Till our garlic breads are proofing, let's make our cheesy dip. We'll take 2 cheese cubes, grated, and 2 tablespoons milk. If you do not have cubes, you can use cheese slices, but you would need to double the quantity. So for 2 cheese cubes, you would need 4 to 5 cheese slices. Take a non-stick pan and keep it on a low flame. Add milk. The milk will start boiling within few seconds. That is when you have to add your cheese. Give it a slight mix using a fork or a hand whisk. And as soon as the cheese starts to melt, switch off the gas and keep whisking the mixture until the cheese is completely melted and you have a cream-like texture. That is when your cheesy dip is ready. Immediately transfer it into a small container or a katori and let it cool down at room temperature. If you will not be consuming this immediately, then you can keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Now let's go and check our garlic bread. Our dough has proofed now, so let's keep it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes or until the top starts to become brown. So guys, this is the freshly baked garlic bread and we will eat it while it's still hot. this is it. Our garlic bread is ready. As you can see, it's really nice and soft. Can't wait to eat it. Please do try this recipe and enjoy.